What's good, DJ? It's Friday, May 30th. The time is currently 9:49 p.m. What's good, DJ? We're gonna close out of another brilliant week here in the market. So let's get on with it. Without further ado, let's do it. Let's do it. But before we do that, actually, let's talk about how Friday finished, and then we can get into closing out our week. But it was sexy. Sexy stuff. But anyway, that trade, we'll talk about it. Came to take us out at break even there. That sell trade that, I said, oh, was a beautiful sell trade. It had like two sell model one and two. Madness. This was it right here. Gave you -9 partials. Then as you can see, it broke the dealing range to the downside. So we'll be adjusting that dealing range to this new swing here. And we didn't have any like really clean setups. Well, we did on the 5 minute actually. On the 5 minute it was real clean. But the seconds chart, the minute, oh well. For 1:30 anyway, for lunchtime, it didn't give us anything. The only trade we had was, well, yeah, this was the earliest trade actually here at 2:18, which is in equilibrium of the range there. So, but let me show you the 5 minute, DJ. Let me show you the 5 minute, okay? Well, with the 5 minute still in a discount, right? As you can see, discount range. Key low, swing low, take liquidity below it, swing low, displaces back above it, market structure shift. E plus plus setup, 2, 3, 4, fourth candle, fair value gap. 5 minute, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. And then it goes and takes open range buy side there. Not open range, dealing range, sorry. Too many ranges. Let's see the fibs for there. Ooh, too sexy. -2. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Woo! That was too nice. But anyway, that's how Friday finished. That's how the day finished. Ended up coming to take me out there at 5 there. So 2 partials and then came to take me out break even. Ah, not mad at it. Not mad at it at all. I look tired is because I just woke up from a local nap in it. Yeah. Still down on the account on the day, on the week, but not mad at it at all. Anyway, let's go ahead and close the week out then. Let's minimize this bad boy. Another freaking incredible week, man. Bloody hell. It's crazy. Anyway. So focus this week was paying close attention to trades that happened after dealing range breakout. Anyway. So we're in a buy program. My expectations going into this week, I'm anticipating higher prices taking buy side into daily SIBI, nested in the upper quadrant of weekly SIBI. So this was my weekly draw. And then it hit it Thursday, right? I mean Wednesday. Should price continue higher, then I anticipate monthly relative equal highs buy side, these two buy side being taken. Seasonal tendency has this week rallying, which the week ended up in a buy program. So, nice. It's nice that my expectations are like, I'm getting to the point where my expectations and price is exactly what I'm seeing, right? So this was my draw for the week, and it came in and hit it. So then I'm gonna go back this week and look at how I could have jumped on board on that train. Okay, since Tuesday, Wednesday into here to see how it played out and stuff. But anyway, that was my expectations going into the week. Uh, Scrap all. Okay, cool. It's crazy that it's like the same Fair Valley Gap on that side. Somebody picked me screaming outside, boy. Expectations up close. I was expecting an up close. The week actually closed with the up close. Um, low of the week, I believe, was Tuesday. Up Tuesday, low of the week. Sunday kept up. Maybe outside back. Mhm. Weekly performance. What did I do well this week? All right, showed up. Always the first step. First step you have to do is show up. First thing you have to do is show up. Show up every day. What I do this week, I showed up. Gained more experience and got one and better week. Bloody hell. Showed discipline in following my model procedures and protocols and respected. I did do that this week. I think, in my opinion, anyway. What else did I do well this week? Collected more data on given range because that's something new. I'm introduced into my model. Where did I fall short? Wake up time and morning routine. Also, I believe it was Tuesday. Broke a rule. I didn't follow my precision protocols. Tuesday broke a rule by trading post holiday. Even though when I went back in the day, I was able to see where the setup was at. It still wasn't a optimal trading day for me because it was right after a holiday. Okay, and my protocol states here that, oh, where is it? Post holiday, sit still, tape read. It was a post holiday, so yeah, definitely broke a rule there. Tuesday, I broke a rule by trading post holiday, which led to unnecessary. That's what it says here. Failure to adhere to the following procedures and protocols will lead to unnecessary loss. And that's exactly what happened. Took unnecessary loss. If I just taped read, like I said here, I would have learned what I learned without, taking any losses there. So yeah, that's where I'll say I fell short this week. How can I improve for next week? Make sure I'm following all of my procedures and protocols. And let FOMO trick me into taking trade. I shouldn't. How else can I improve for next week? Keep showing up. Keep showing up. Keep seeking excellence. I'm so close in not spelling that. Keep seeking excellence. How else can I improve for next week? This week has been insane though. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a week hands down that's going down in the books for me. And I've been saying that a lot, like days and stuff going down in the books, but nah, the stuff that I've realized this week and incorporated into my model since last week and like just improving that model. Like I have my core model now, but it's just about improving upon it, refining, fine tuning to a place where I'm like I'm comfortable, not comfortable, but like I'm 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 seeing profitability consistently, right? I know I'm going to take losses, and I understand that that's part of the game, and that's the only thing promised to me. But I know that my model over time will deliver, right? So yeah, very pleased with my performance this week. I'm very proud of myself. All right, girl, you're doing amazing. Keep going. Another amazing week in the market. Growing, getting 1% better is just incredible. That 1% every day is like it's a mad one, you know. But yeah, that would be it for me this week. So hack and proof is just to keep showing up, keep seeking excellence. All right, keep making sure I'm following my procedures and protocols, making sure I'm aware of them. All right, and yeah, keep collecting the data. All right, and keep paying attention to the things that you want to see in price action, and the things that you have an affinity to, that you have a gravitational pull towards. Pay attention to those, and just try to improve and get 1% better every day and every week, every month. Really and truly, that's all I can ask of myself. But other than that, let's see what our schedule is looking like next week. Before we get out of here, let's see what it's looking like next week. It's a new month, starting a new month. Ooh, this year is going mad fast, man. Whoa, Q2 about to be done already. June. Ooh, then we'll be going into September contract soon, right? Yeah. Anyways, looks like we got a full week ahead of us next week. Nice, nice, nice. Is it NFP? Yep, it is NFP, baby. It is NFP first week of the month. It will be NFP. It's gonna be interesting, this NFP. Well, I cannot wait to see price action next week and grow and get better. All right, we got a full schedule ahead of us. Oh, it's gonna be good. Ooh, we're gonna have some sweet setups, right? Ooh, especially with where I'm at right now. Oh, it's gonna be a mad one. It's gonna be a mad one. But yeah, and he came back and took open range, dealing range buy side there, relative equal highs. Ooh, Lordy, they don't know. They don't know what's coming. They don't know what's coming. Anyway, let's wrap this bitch up with a bow. All right, let's wrap it up because we want to protect ourselves. Oh, I need to actually start putting the disclaimer thing in front of my videos and stuff, right? Yeah, I need to start. I need to figure out a way how I can do that and how I can get that in there because that needs to be in there. Boy, it needs to be in there. Maybe when I open up, I can have a thing show before I go into my stuff instead of, so I don't have to add it to the beginning of the video. I have to edit the video. It should be in the beginning of the video, right? Yeah. I'll figure it out this weekend, hopefully. If I remember, I'll remember. I'll try to get it figured out this weekend, DJ. But anyway, another amazing week, another great week inside of the market. Yeah, I'm lost. I'm lost for words, man. Like literally, like I cannot even grasp the words to say the feeling that I'm feeling inside, where I'm at right now, and where I know I'm on track to become is amazing, man. Just to know that day in, day out, I'm gonna be able to see certain things and be able to capitalize on it in the market and eventually start making some real good money consistently is just, I'm in awe, DJ. I'm in awe, and I'm like I'm so proud of myself for not giving up on this journey and for to keep going. I've been at it for like over 5 years now, bro. Fucking hell. Starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel, and I'm grateful. I thank Yeshua. All right, I thank ICT. And Yeshua first, then me, then ICT. Okay, just for not giving up, for keep going, myself for not giving up, for keep going, and sure for giving ICT the knowledge, okay, and the willingness and the power to share it with the rest of us, and me for not giving up, keep sticking to it, okay, because there's only so much IC Yeshua or ICT can do, right? At the end of the day, I have to put in the work. You have to put in the work yourself, right? Can't help somebody that doesn't want to be helped. You have to help yourself first. And then once the universe, the world, Yeshua sees you putting that effort in, he then obviously, be like, all right, I see my child here. She working hard, and she got good intentions, and she got a good heart. let me help her out a little bit, right? You have to build that relationship with him as well, man. But yeah, so not to go off on a tangent, but I'm just very happy and pleased with where I'm at, and I just know like this is only just the beginning. This is the beginning of I'm the Trader Capital. Okay, my goal here is to run $1 billion hedge fund, and that's where my focus has been. Okay, and that's what this whole journey is about. It's just that behind the scenes of me getting to even the trading aspect of it. I haven't even got into like the fund management side of things, which I'm learning behind the scenes. And obviously by the time I reach my analyst stage, I'll be ready to go in terms of everything. So yeah, man, I'm happy, I'm pleased with my journey so far, my progression. Just keep taking the right steps in the right direction, okay, and you'll get to where you need to go, baby girl. I'm so proud of you. I'm pleased with my performance this week, okay. I'm pleased with the trader and the analyst I'm becoming. And yeah, I'm just happy, man. I'm just happy. Yeah, I'm just happy. I'm trying to focus on the positives and just keep it, keep the positive vibes going and just keep, because this shit is hard, bro. This shit has been fucking hard. All right. So, but now I'm starting to see the fruits of my labor, and it's just been an amazing journey. Incredible, incredible. And I'm happy. I'm also happy that I've been able to capture it. Like even from the beginning of DJ, it's like how I was trading then is different. It's not different. It's not like this. The setup is the same. It's key highs and lows, right? It's liquidity. That's my main thing. The thing I can see in the market, high key highs and lows, and when it's taken, yeah, that's always been the same. But it's just been refining. It's been refined, and stuff has been added and taken out, and added in, taken out, and just to the point where I'm at right now, it just is amazing. It's like once I set I had my processes and my routines set in place, and I just constantly followed that day in, day out. It just led to everything just gradually just changing, refining, taking stuff out, adding stuff in. Things that I've learned like within studying ICT concepts like 3 years ago started to like pop up and be like, oh, this is something I can incorporate in my model. And it's just molding my analyst, molding my trader, like just one day at a time, one session at a time. Show up, man. Show up. Just keep showing up. Just keep showing up. All right. And where you want to go, you'll get there. You just have to keep showing up, DJ. On that note, I'm gonna end it there. I don't want to keep blubbering, bro. Because I will keep blubbering. We got a good schedule ahead of us next week. All right, so we're gonna see some good price action. We're gonna get some good growth, all right, and experience out of it. But DJ, enough from me, bruv. I'm gonna enjoy my weekend back test. All right, stay sharp. All right, because I don't want to dull out. I'm gonna stay sharp consistently by training, back testing. Even when the week is up, I'm back testing. Right, I'm not done. You're not done once the market closes. Okay, you have to sharpen that edge, bruv. Anyway, so you get the house edge, feel me? Anyway, DJ, we're done. Ending another amazing banger of a week. All right, so happy and so pleased with myself. Okay, keep going, baby girl. Okay, you're doing great. You know the deal, DJ. I'm the trader, signing out. Good luck, good trading. Happy hunting. You are the weakest link. Goodbye.